Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. It's good to speak to you again. Today I thought you'd give you a little quick update with what's happening. Now at Snap there's not a huge amount happening, but in our garden there's some exciting news. Today we've captured footage from our birdhouse, which has a camera in it, and it's very much like this one. And the camera is just placed in the top, as you can see there, and that records a live feed to our telly of what's happening in the bird box. Now, as you can see behind me, we have a little family moving in, which is really exciting, and we've counted 7 eggs in the nest. So throughout the next couple of weeks, we'll be posting some screenshots and short videos of how they're developing as we go forward. But really exciting times. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll speak to you soon. All the best.